To remain updated with the latest business news, click on the bell icon.
60 वर्ष से ऊपर की आयु के कोमॉर्बिडिटी वाले नागरिकों को उनके डॉक्टर की सलाह पर वैक्सीन की प्रिकॉशन डोज का विकल्प उनके लिए उपलब्ध होगा। ये भी 10 जनवरी से प्रारंभ होगा।
Finally, the much-awaited moment is here. India has started vaccinating its eligible population with the precautionary dose, popularly known as the booster dose, from Monday onwards. Healthcare workers, frontline workers, and those above the age of 60 with comorbidities are eligible. Appointments for the third vaccine shot earlier opened on CoWIN. This is the online appointment facility. There is no need for new registration for those taking the precautionary dose of COVID-19 vaccine. The government has even said that those who do not want to take an appointment online can do a walk-in. There is no need for a comorbidity certificate to be produced before the third dose. Those who are taking an appointment or walking in must know that their wait for the third dose might just get longer if 9 months have not lapsed since you got your second dose. Also, if you're infected right now, then you have to wait for 3 months for your precautionary dose. Well, if you've had an infection recently, then again, you have to wait for 3 months since the day you turned negative. The government has also said that the third dose will be of the same vaccine given in the past to the recipient. Mixing of doses is not allowed.
The precautionary vaccine dose that will be given to healthcare workers, frontline workers, and individuals 60 years and above with comorbidities will be the same vaccine as has been given to them previously.
Government sources say that there have been concerns about severe reactions in mixing doses, a risk they could not afford to take. Experts, however, say that this is not the best way forward and that using a third type of a vaccine for the precautionary dose should have been ideal.
There is a group of people who hold divergent views. They think that booster should be of different vaccine because it may elicit more immune response and protect you more. However, more research and more data are available. Till that time, please follow the government's diktat and immediately go for boosters.
The only outcome measures we have now are based on mRNA vaccines, which also have the ability to boost the antibody levels 28-fold, which is a lot more than inactivated virus vaccines as well as adenovirus vector vaccines.
Bharat Biotech, the makers of Covaxin, however, say the indigenous vaccine will offer long-term protection as a booster dose as per a study done by Bharat Biotech and the Indian Council of Medical Research. India, meanwhile, is seeing an exponential surge in COVID cases, courtesy the fifth variant of concern. As healthcare system feel the pinch because of the surge, the need to protect the vulnerable is non-negotiable. In New Delhi, Sneha Murdani for India Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.